Okay, we are live. So now today I'm working on my algorithm again. There was some problems for our old users who also happen to have like larger BMIs. So we don't need this here. So basically, if you are more than 26 and you have more than 25 BMI and you can only do 10 push-ups, it basically drops your plan for suggestion plan for minuses, the negative numbers. So what I came up with is adding more if statements. So this is push-up one, right? So we're gonna if statement here, if max. So if your 10 is max and we are minusing that 40 or 50% of that, it's gonna be 5. So if this is less than 5, right? So we already have this actually here. So if this is less than half, we are going to do max that point 60%. So that will make this actually does not going to make our other code up here like BMI and user age obsolete. This does not make this because this is a one-time. This is if user is really weak physically. So let's try this first. Let me add 0 here. Actually. And we're gonna check if it's working. I'm just testing here, I'm not going based on anything really. I'm just testing. So it's compiling. So let's see. First, it's our plan is going to be overwritten. Yep, it's 0. No, it's not overwritten. Wait, this is push-up only a main context. So let's see. We are 26 years old. We are 80 kilograms and 160 centimeters, and we can do only 10 push-ups, 3 pull-ups and 20 squats. So I think what we need to do is to first let's see our code here. So this is not working right now because we have this here. So what we can do is to make new account for testing purposes, and I'm gonna delete all those later on Firebase. I don't care. And let's go with same inputs. And okay, it does not work. So why does not it work? If this is less, 5 is this is less than 5 or equal to 5, because this is 5. Okay, see why this doesn't work, because it should be less than or equal to 5. So if we do that, let it compile, let's re-render. Yep. Now this more like it. So if you can do 10 in one go, you definitely can do more, especially if you have 2 minutes of rest, and you can up the rest time. But when it comes to pull-ups is really hustle. So why it's 0, why it test max is 3 here, we're reading 3. Let's check on our pull-ups here. So if it's 3 and we were more than 25 years of age, and I think what will be BMI of BMI calculator. And this is trash website. We don't need this. This is a good website here. Weight, we did 80, right? And so BMI is more than 25, okay? So we are more than 25, and our BMI is we are here. If BMI is more than 25, so we should just put this at a 5. And let's put this at 6, because 25 you're still young. And for 40-year-old, yeah, it might be reasonable to put like 40%. Let's see. So we're at push-ups, right? No, we're at pull-ups. So we just need to test it again. And it's gonna be 20, 26. Wait. Boom, boom, boom. Let's say 4 instead of 3 now. Okay. This is more reasonable. Or if you can do 4 pull-ups max, you can easily do 2, 2, 2, 1 here. But yeah, you can do 3 here, 3, 2, 2. No, now it's 4. What the fuck? Okay, now we should fix after these. me think about this. So, if this is more than this, which is actually this here,
she'll take a charge and she'll take another life. She says that's the easy part as we sit in the dark underneath the stars every single night.
so instead of this, what we can do is we can do, if there's more than suggesting one, not equal to, more than, then we have one.
When times got tough, I was enough fan. I never ran. Now I know your daddy don't approve of me, 'cause I do what I want and he does what he can. You've got a bad man.
Oh, okay, I copied this. Okay.
It's not that my daddy don't approve of you. You know he's just been out all night. I left and asked what
Yeah,
do
I think this is a better way, because all of these are based on plan.
And said, drive as fast as you can. I have a bad man on my hands.
It is for chorus, right? So this is gonna work right now.
It was still hot, you know, it burned my skin. The skin you dive in when I felt like I can win, and it's all breaking
Fucking
down.
7, dude, are you insane?
We pulled to the edge of the
His second set is fucking it up.
as we both turned
This is
around.
second too.
We said till death do us part, they'll have to pit us apart when they go to put us in the ground.
So now suggestion is 7. So if you do 7, it's gonna add 1. We should remove these, but I don't think this was, that was what it was fucking it up. Let's remove all these fucking equal signs. Now let's see. 4. Let's see. 4, 4, 4, 2. Still 7, dude. And this one added 2. While it's, if it's bigger than this, this one shouldn't fucking add 2. That's insane. That's insanity, my dude, my guy. So let's try one more time. This is 5, this is 7, this is 6, this is 6, this is 3. In this case, all of this should be added to 1. Okay, this should be 6, this is 8, 7, 7, and 4. Let's see. It's still adding twice as much work. I'm fucking insane. So let's see on set 2 where it's 2, right? let's do this console set to let's see, 6, 10, 8, 5. This is in if, no, it is a if statement, so this is gonna be red, no matter what. Okay, I think what is happening right now is that, oh, I get it. This one is red, right? So set 2 will be added 1. Set 2 will be added 1, and it's gonna be previous set plus 1. Then it's gonna check this, and this is gonna be true because it is plus 2, right? It's equals to or more than this old one plus 2, so it's gonna add 2, but somehow it stops here. So this is a problem because it's an if statement and not if else statement. So what we should do here is to refactor. How are we gonna refactor? You're gonna actually move this if statement here, and we're gonna do these else if statements here. So it's gonna check if input is less than suggested plan at set 2. If this is the case, suggestion will be decremented by 1. If this is not the case, it's gonna check else if statement. If input is more than suggestion 2 plus 4, it's gonna add 3, but if this is not the case, it's gonna check this, then this, and this is gonna be final statement here. So let's test it right now. It should be on set 2 right now. Set 2 was 10 reps. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put 10 here, and it should return 11, no more than 11. Okay, we send this data. Okay, it says 13 here, but let's refresh it. Let's see. Okay, it's still not working. It's still, now it's adding 3 actually. So what can we do here? So this one was checked, and if input is more than suggested 2, then we get 3. Okay, if it was 14, then we get 3. Okay, it returns 0. See what is the problem? It's a 0. This was a problem. This is a problem right here, my friend. So we actually can't use this.
I wake up and put your song on. Can't believe that you're gone. Understand that I did this. Cause it's handguns and it's heroin, and all of us will die young. So I'm writing letters to the victims' kids, and they say, I'm sorry for your loss, but I told
So let's check to what the fuck is that? This should be pulling. Yeah, this is pulling the last. Okay, this is the last down push up, sorry. So we should actually use this instead of this. Yep. Because this is 0, this is just a state, it does not store anything. Let's first check the first step here. No, this is not refactored correctly, so we actually have to do this. We need this here. Okay, now we are ready. So now it's all fucked, basically. Now it's back to 2. How? Why the fuck is this 2? Okay, this one is checked, right? Okay, this one can't be checked actually. Because it's not less, not more. Dude. This is never going to be true, because this and this are always gonna be the same. But what we can actually do is to take this here and put this here, or we actually can pull these two up. Yep. we should start from bottom and work our way up here. But first of all, let's check if this works. So this one should return 3 for second set at least. Let's. Okay, it's not bottom 2. Okay, this is set 2. Okay, we need this. This is not added 1 because this should be equal to. It should be more or equal to this. Let's see again. Oh, now it's 3. Yep. Well, this one is checked. Let's see 4. Now it's added 2 to the previous one. Okay. Now let's refactor whole thing. Let's see, we did 5 here. We're gonna refresh this because it's not gonna work without the refresh. Let's check how much is gonna be added as well. So 2, 2, 2 and 2 I think. Yeah, this one was 10. And this one got added 1. Okay, this is the right formula over here. But let me try one more thing. Let's do this, and we did 8 here. Let's say we did 8 here. So it's just 1. Added 1. Yeah, it's reasonable. It's reasonable. But let's say we did fucking 13 here. Oh, 14. Let's do 14. Okay, it always going to add 1 more than it should. See, let's do something crazy and let's say 30 here. 30. We did 30 here. It's 31. Okay, it always adds 1 rep, which is not very scientific, if you ask me. So first, let's refactor this. Okay. First of all, this is never gonna be true. So what should we do? What should we do? This is a 2. Let's see what our algorithm right now will do if we can't manage to actually do like 30. Let's say we did 27 today. Okay, we have a bad day, we did 27. And it's actually okay. It's weird, but I created some fucking perfect formula here which adds 1 more. Anything you do, it's just gonna add 1 more. Okay, so if you did fucking 4 here, it's gonna return 5. Yeah. Okay, how the fuck we managed to do that? Because this is the only thing it works right here. I'm a fucking idiot because these will never be more than these, because these and these are same. Okay? So what we need here is something to store this data, which is gonna be this. We need previous sets here, right? We need to pull this here and use this here. Okay? So let's count. Let's see what the fuck this function is. Okay, it's pulling the last. You know what we actually need? Previous one. This is the last workout. We need workout before this. Will it work? It will work probably, but this is basically previous sets, right? This is the same exact function. Last set counter, yep.
I didn't force myself to move or think of getting killed. I was content. I spent the whole day still. So while
I think best case scenario would be to take not the last one, but before the last one. So what we want to do right now is to go to here, to the push-ups, max, pull up, ID test on pull up. Let's go here. Let's go pull-ups. So we are where the fuck are we mapping? Okay, here. This is our map. And yeah, this is the same formula. So what happens if we do this? Oh shit. Let's refresh it. And this should return. Which one is the last? This is the last one? No, this is the first one. This is the last one. This actually should return this, but what the fuck is this? Okay, it doesn't return anything because if this is equal to this, there's nothing gonna be returned. So this is the last array. How do we take?
When they touch me, it's worse. Tell me what's this all worth? 'Cause hell is hard and I'm not.
Yeah, right before this. With index. Oh my god, how are we gonna do this? Fuck me. Okay, let me try this. Because theoretically this should return the same input. Oh no, dude, what the fuck? This is everything. This fucker returned everything. Okay, this is not a good. And this one returns like 3 different arrays, I think. Let's console log this, right? Console log. This probably returns 3. Yep. Different arrays. So how we can isolate? Okay, now what should we do is to stop fucking around like this and actually pull the data from the input itself, and we're gonna do that with user fight. Right now we are using form hook. Can we not? I don't think can we use form hooks? Okay, let's see here. So we are pulling this here. We also need get values here. You will be pulling this, okay? Take let's see. We can put console up here. Console log. Nice. On click. Get value. Set 1. This is empty right now, so this should return 0. It's returning 0. Let's see right now. It's returning 2. But here's the problem, right? We can use this, but when we send, it actually stays here, right? When we send the data, this one stays here. So it can pull data from here and put in here. But see, there's a problem. We need storage unit, okay? So I think we should make more Firebase. But that's too much, man. Or we can store everything to a browser. That's a possibility. We can store these states. How the fuck I didn't realize this when I was making it. We should store these states locally. It's on YouTube.
The trauma model. People who have no defined genetic abnormality, all within a range of normal. And something's come in from the environment to hurt them. Now, it could be a bullet, it could be a
I
car.
hope this guy doesn't copyright strike me.
Hey team, we're going to learn how we can save state to local storage and persistent and refresh in React. I'm Colby Fayok, and if this is your first time here, make sure you hit subscribe and click that little notification. Dynamically create the experiences for the DOM. Now, part of building those dynamic experiences is storing the value that represents the state of an application or a part of an application at a particular point in time. In the example in React's documentation, they use a clock where every time that clock ticks, it wants to update the stored value, that time reference, inside of the state of the application. Now, as a somewhat more practical example, if I'm building an online store and somebody adds an item to the cart, we want to make sure that that state of the cart is updated so that that particular product and the amount of products that I have are updated in the state of that cart. Now, an important part of that state is that I know that when I refresh the page or I browse around to another page in the site, my cart state is going to be saved, and I can still make sure that I can keep adding on the products on top of that original item. But in React's case, by default, that state is only stored in memory, meaning as soon as we refresh the page, we lose all that information about our current state. So to fix this, we can take advantage of the browser's local storage API that allows us to save data right inside of the storage mechanism of the browser, meaning we can set that value and we can even get that value so that when we refresh the page, we can retrieve all of that state value and hydrate it right into our app. So to see how this works, we're going to spin up a new application using Next.js, and while Next.js is not needed for this example, you can use this with a plain and simple React application. Next.js is just a nice way to get started and easily up and running. And in particular, we're going to start off with this demo starter that I created, where it's really just going to give us some basic UI to get started with, where we're going to be able to programmatically hide this welcome banner. But you can find a link to the starter in the description if you want to follow along. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy this create next app command. And I'm going to use Yarn, but you can follow along with npx. And in my terminal, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that command, and then I'm going to also append my welcome banner to the end, which is going to be my project name, and the folder that's used to create this project. So once I run that command, Next.js really special is going on. The only thing that we're doing is importing some posts that I preloaded into this project so that we had some content to work with. But we can see at the top here, whether or not we should be showing the banner. Now to do, I'm going to create a new constant, and I'm going to be structuring the values from the use state hub, as you'll see in a second here. And I'm going to create a new state variable called show banner. Anything else considered, see if that value is truly first. So I'm going to say inside of code, and I'm going to say right on that button on click, I want to run a function, and I'm going to say inside that function, I want to set show banner, and I'm going to set our local storage state by setting.
So this is it. This is what we need. Local storage, and we can put variable here. Okay. Let's try this first. Local storage set item. Okay. We are pulling this already, so damn. Should we put this here or should we store these? I think this one will be better to store. Let's try this one first. So we're gonna let's set 1 equals to local storage dot set item, and this one, and we can put this one here with on console log. Okay, next step is let's see here. Okay, it's not working. Maybe because of store hook. Or 2 arguments are required. Why 2 arguments? The following snippet accesses the current domain's local storage object and adds a data item to use. Okay, this is a reading. So this is a reading. This is a storing. So we can store. We can store this in, I don't know, why 2 arguments? Like, I don't get it. It needs 2. Okay, this is the data, and this is the variable, or this is a variable and this is a data. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna say set1 this is a read data, so this one is reading which variable, so we actually need to pass these here. Come on, dude. Failed to access set item on stage storage. 2 arguments required by only 1 present. Okay, let's remove these completely then. Set1 is not defined. Let's hit documents here. So let cat equals my cat. Let's say oh, wait a second, does it has a different gate item? Okay, gate item. The following snippet access set item and gate item. Okay, this is set. Okay, let's set 1 equals to local storage get item set 1, and we put this set 1 here. We refresh this page. Put 2 here. This is set 1. Yep. Just send this here like this, and okay, it's stored right now. Let's refresh. So when we send the data, when we submit the data, it's stored, but now it's not anymore. So know what we can do? Instead of this shit, damn. What the fuck I'm doing? Oh, we already had this here. Fuck, I'm totally no. Why the fuck are this active here? This should not be active. Oh, you're using this function. Okay. Let's put this here first. It's 2. Okay, let's refresh the page. Still 2. So, why the fuck? It's still 2 because we're checking main. It's still 2 because everything is checking here. Okay, I'm gonna take a rest here, guys. So I'm gonna stop streaming.